All right. Hello, everybody. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Wednesday, middle of the week. Time for my top 10 as far as questions that I get asked as a trader. So today's topic is about, and I get this question a lot, almost weekly for sure, multiple times. What broker do you use to trade? Okay. What broker do you use to trade? So first of all, if you're seeing this on YouTube or my group, obviously give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, all that good stuff. If you want to subscribe, there's a bell below. If you want more information about joining us, check out everything below. If you're in my group, check the pinned video on how to join our amazing community that's been going on year 8, and for me, 6.5 years. That'll be year 7 come November. So I get this particular question a lot. What broker do you use to trade? So the platform we're with does not allow us to specifically recommend brokers, okay? And we are a global team, so we have people from all over the world. So somebody in Ireland or Australia asking me what broker do I use, because it's all different. There's so many brokers out there. Now, for those that have been in the trading sphere recently, there's been a lot of changes with Meta 4, Meta 5, brokers for US folks, etc. So what I usually tell folks now is inside of our community, we have a Discord community. You can talk to existing members, any other members, say, what broker do you use? What broker do you use? How do you like this broker? What kind of spread, etc. So that's what I normally do, all right? So I don't normally recommend any particular brokers. I have a couple that I've used for several years that I've not had any issues with, but they also have changed platforms. So there was definitely some downtime. So what broker works for me might not work for you based on your location, all right? So the best thing that I would do is always recommend is doing your due diligence on any broker that you might want to pursue. And the key part is when you join our community, we're not going to ask you to go live anyway. You're going to go on demo. And so you can pick any broker you want and demo trade. And then if you like that platform and like how it works, and yes, demo, another question is demo, do they use the same spreads as when it's a live account? Yes, they do. So then you can get a feel for that broker, the spreads, etc., and the platform to see if it works for you. And if not, then you just choose a different broker. That's the beauty of it. So that's pretty much it for today. What broker do you use to trade? What I use has no bearing on what anybody else uses in our trading community. I don't know, I haven't taken account, but there's all kinds of brokers being used. So all that I recommend is do due diligence. You can ask in our Discord community if you're a member, and our folks will steer you the right way as to who they like, why do they like, etc. Okay, but our platform doesn't allow me to specifically recommend a broker or anything like that. All right, so that is number 5 out of the top 10 questions that I have gotten as a trader for the past 6.5 years. All right, if you like this video, thumbs up, thumbs down. If you have any questions, to reach me, whatever platform you're seeing this on, and let's rock and roll. All right, let's have a good week, everybody. Take care.